Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Nothing hurts more than realizing your wife hates you. I've known guys who went through this, and they tell me the pain is intense and searing. It's like being stabbed in the gut with a hot poker while having your nut slammed into a drawer over and over again. Fucking painful, that's what. And who are we kidding? This is someone you're deeply intimate with. She knows everything about you, your biggest hopes and dreams, fears, insecurities, and weaknesses. You've shared 1,000 tender moments, got married and had kids, and now your soulmate downright hates you. I know, man, it can be a bitter pill to swallow. And not only that, when this happens, it's only a matter of time before she cheats or asks for a divorce. And yet, you know what? It doesn't have to be this way. You can make your wife love you again, if and only if you do things right. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to do when your wife hates you, so that you'll overturn the situation and make her love you again. Before we start though, could you do me a huge favor? Click the like button for this video for me, because that will encourage me to keep making these videos for you. Please click like now. Done clicking like? Great, let's start. I won't sugarcoat anything here. So your marriage has gone to the dumps, and it hurts. The first thing you need to realize is this: it's not your fault. Marriage is hard work, and you only have one shot to get it right. So don't blame yourself if things haven't worked out. Besides that, nowadays the deck is stacked against you anyway. What am I talking about? Feminism and political correctness, of course. You see, for decades, women have been told to put themselves and their careers first, and that it's okay to live a Sex and the City lifestyle, and that they can have it all, and that 40 is the new 30. And guess what? Female sociopaths and sociopathic feminists encourage women to treat their men like garbage. We're browbeaten about some mythical gender pay gap and rape culture. And it seems as if every sitcom features the stereotypical idiot husband. In these shows, the wife wears the pants and is right about everything, and the husband always gives in to her demands. Disgusting, I know. What's more, getting a divorce is ridiculously easy these days, and some women will bail on you the minute they feel a little unhappy. The end result? We're trained from birth to be doormats and defer to women. And now it's the time to fight back, and fight back we will. So what should you do if you want your wife to stop hating you? Here's what. First, you need to dominate her. You need to become the strong, dominant man she once fell in love with. You know, the guy she used to eagerly slip between the sheets with. And to do this, you need to learn how to manipulate, control, and stay one step ahead of her. You have to learn how to dominate and keep her under your thumb, and gain complete and total control of her mind and emotions. Men who are smart enough to realize this are also the most successful with women. Secondly, you need to make her afraid. Another aspect of this is fear. While it may sound horrible, the fact is that if you want your wife to respect you, she needs to be a little afraid. I mean, how can you respect someone if there are no consequences to them being angry at you? Makes sense, right? The upside is that you can easily do this with psychological manipulation. So it all boils down to this. What you have to do is learn how to manipulate her emotions. You need to change those emotions of hatred back into love. You need to learn how to take control of her mind and completely change the way she sees you. And to do this, you need industrial strength mind control techniques. Good thing I've been doing this for years and can quickly show you how it's done. All it takes is a few simple changes to the way you speak. This is something charismatic people do without even trying, and by copying them, you can literally make a woman feel anything you want. And unlike that pickup artist nonsense, you don't have to put on a fake act. Finally, remember this. Once your wife starts hating you, it's a slippery slope towards cheating and divorce. This could in turn devastate the lives of your children. Think about them. So this technique could come in handy one day, and that day might just come soon enough. Anyway, if you learned one thing from this video, it should be this. Women are only happy when they have a strong man to lead them. And if you're unwilling or incapable of being that man, it's just a matter of time till she hates and resents you. I'm sorry to say that, but it's the truth. To make a change and turn her hate into love, attend Derek Rake's online mind control masterclass. A link will come up in this video next. Click on it and follow the instructions on that page and you'll be set. Do it.